Hello guys, welcome to this LeanFT lesson. In this lesson you will learn about LeanFT engine settings, object identification settings and license types in LeanFT. For that, open the Visual Studio and you will notice that there is a LeanFT option in the menu. Just click on this engine and object identification settings, and over here we have got engine settings and object identification settings, two tabs over there at the top, engine and object identification. So let us start with the engine settings first. So over here we can select the add-ins to load. Now what add-ins you have to load is depends on what kind of application you are automating. So if you are automating say Windows applications, standard Windows applications, you don't need to select any of these add-ins because the standard Windows applications are supported by default. So only in case you want to automate the web applications or mobile or say WPF, .NET, WinForms applications or SAP and Java applications, then only you will have to load those add-ins by selecting these checkboxes. And over here to test the mobile applications, you will have to give the server name, that is mobile center server name, and username and password. And over here we have got the settings related to the engine port and then engine idle timeout. So this is the port on which the LeanFT engine runs, and you can change it, but by default it is 5095. And here is the engine idle timeout. So if you do not set any commands to the engine within that time, it will get shut down automatically. The next setting is object synchronization timeout. This setting is required for telling the LeanFT to wait for this much time and before throwing the exception saying that object is not found. So this is the synchronization timeout, and you can change it if you want. And this last setting is related to like running the tests on the remote desktop computer using RDB. So you need to maintain one session on the remote desktop computer, and for that you need to provide the credentials, username and password. So that will be used by LeanFT to maintain the session, so that it will be able to like recognize the windows in that particular computer. Now let us go to in object identification settings. Over here there is a drop down for the technology. So as we know that LeanFT supports various applications developed in these many technologies, and for each technology LeanFT has defined some standard objects. So if you select that particular technology, the objects defined in that particular technology are displayed over here, and it also displays for each object what properties are being used to identify that object. So for example, the spin box is identified using attached text and native class, these properties. So this is mandatory property and this is assistive properties, and here are the available properties. So if you want LeanFT to like use other properties apart from this one, you can just drag and drop it like this one, and next time when you try to identify such object, this spin box, LeanFT will use these properties to identify that object. So similarly we have got the objects for various technologies already defined by the LeanFT. Here you can filter the object list. Say you want to search only for buttons, you can search it like that. Then another thing to notice is that this button allows you to restore the settings for the Java test object. So right now I have like added this property in here, but if you want to reset all the properties for all the technologies, or say for only Java technology, you can click on this restore settings for Java test objects, and over here you can import the object identification, and here you can export the object identification in the JSON format like that. So this is all about engine and object identification setting in LeanFT. So you can launch it from here. And another setting that I wanted to tell you is about licenses. So if you go to the start button and here all apps in the HP, you will notice that there is a, you can launch the license wizard, which will tell you which license you are using. So right now I'm using this license, seat license. So as you can see, this is the seat license and it is active until 18th of August. And you can have also concurrent license, commuter license and remote commuter license also. So that is how you can like view the settings, change the settings of the LeanFT engine. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos please subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.